Welcome to Crimson Guitars, welcome to the MF kit build where I'm going to build a phenomenal thing out of one of our MF kits. It's a single cutaway kit, it's fairly generic, if very, very well made, to the highest standard, and I'm going to take it and do naughty things to it and turn it into something completely intriguingly different. And I'm going to take you along for the journey for this for the next month. So strap in, click the subscribe button and that massive notification bell so you get every single video straight to your brain. And I'm going to calm down now, I think, and go and sit in a corner with a cold beer or something, because that was a little bit heavy hitting. Yeah, maybe, I think. See ya. I really liked the second line. But once we got the strings here, we need to drill that at some point soon. Once we got the strings there, and once we got the all the extra circuitry from the actual creation of the guitar, it's gonna look okay. Well, I also want to do some sort of a kill switch, maybe there, maybe here. Touch sensitive, maybe. We'll see. I've played around, went and printed off a few different size hexagons. It's much easier, and I'm quite happy with how this positioning is working out, actually. So yeah, I'm just going to draw a few in and see where we end up. Here is what I have in mind. Now, cutting this by hand and marking this out by hand, it's just not precise enough. So I've asked my media department to make a grid and print it out, and then we'll use printer paper, we'll tape it on in place and then cut it out directly onto the body. But for now, well, I'm thinking about doing a little bit more carving. I would like a bit more of a swoop in there, but we'll see. Okay, I think the time has come to actually start cutting. So my problem is I have a fairly chunky piece of wood to cut through, for one, but also very precise 45-degree angles, which are problematic. Now, well, a bandsaw just isn't going to turn the corner. Neither is a jigsaw. All I have left is a scroll saw that will be able to turn the corner precisely enough. It doesn't like straight lines, though. No scroll saw does. Now, I'm very lucky I have the Hegner scroll saw here. This is the top of the line, absolute best in the business, literally. This is, however, pucker-inducing, frightening. Okay, so I've got a very, very narrow blade. I do have some margin for error. What I want to put in here is around about 3 mil thick. And so yeah, I can basically vary to a certain extent, and I'm going to be removing some material anyway to straighten it up afterwards. But what the hell? If it gets destroyed, I'll figure out another way to do it and rescue it. That is the thing. A pro guitar builder or a hobby guitar builder, the difference is that a pro guitar builder knows how to fix the mistakes or hide the mistakes and move on, and also when to burn it. But hopefully we don't get to that point. Okay, I've put a brand new blade on. It's a good brand new blade. I've just done a quick test with some ash, and yeah, it seemed okay. Yeah. I'm going to need to move the guard. I have to take the guard off, basically. Otherwise, I'm not going to have enough room. This is beyond what this machine is supposed to be capable of. So, yeah, I can't get that high enough without it thumping into that. This has been designed so that it doesn't actually come off. And I just can't fit my guitar body in there. So, yeah, I'm justifying the removal of a safety feature. I'm also hoping that I don't put my fingers into it. There we go. So that will go back on. Yeah, this is nerve-wracking, this is. Well, nothing for it. I love this tool. The hell? Even the corners. Look at that.
Pretty nice.
Good joint, sir. I'm so impressed by this. This Hegner is freaking crazy. Fun times. Now we need to hollow that out.
Right.
Not a clue how. I haven't got the foggiest. Oh, you haven't, hold on. These people haven't seen. What are we? Edge light. So the plan is possibly
Okay.
edge light perspex.
Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom. But to be frank, while that would look cool, it's not required. I thought that I would have a kerf of 3 mil or so.
Yeah.
This Hegner is cut so well that I really... I don't need it. I've lost a fraction, less than a mil, half a mil.
That's pretty much nothing.
It's square. The only issue is just in the corner. It turned the corner so well, actually. I'm having fun. Okay, and this is going to make that much easier as well. So that will basically go on there. I'll chop around and mark it directly onto there using a computer-made grid. Slightly cheating, but hey. Cool. Here we are. Okay, I'm going to mark out which ones we want. Okay, so there's the shape. Okay. Now, okay, there's a little bit of variation here. Basically, oh, come on, I wasn't supposed to move. Basically, this is a little bit bigger than my sketches were. So there's one, I might not end up with that. This one here, that might not be there, but we'll see. Everything else fits okay. So now, sharp scalpel blade, and as if it's an inlay, I irrevocably mark it out. There we go. Much better. Okay, there. I'm going to call it a day now. This is much further along than I had actually anticipated. I'm really enjoying this build, and that Hegner, the scroll saw, is just amazing. I've marked out the sound holes. I'm going to well, figure out how I'm going to hollow that section of body out now. Day 2, I am back, and I have been thinking. Okay, so this has been sorted out now. And we have lovely sound hole markings, all sorted. I do want to transfer those over around the back. Sorry, around the side, not the back. Crikey, that would be insane. Why should I do that? Maybe I could do that. So here's the plan. I take a piece that I've already used a little bit, line it up with the existing markings, because essentially I want to carry this grid on. Let's do this. Yeah, okay. I need this because I also don't know exactly where to put them now, because I haven't drawn this in place. So I'm using this as a rough template. I'm going to draw a few and then see what looks good with the existing grid display. That one's a little bit broken. And they can go over edges and around and all sorts. This is going to be fun. See what I mean? This is a bit awkward. We'll go there. Thank you for watching this kit build. Come back for the next video. It will be out soon, if not already. Depends if you're kind of watching them as we upload them or not. I don't know. We'll see. It's up to you, really. It might be there now. Just click next. It'll work. Notification button, Patreon, etc. Thank you. Yeah, that works. So yeah.